Hello, Fredy, Gualinga. So I am the general manager of the Sani Lodge. I am also a member of the Sani Isla community. So we are working with the tourism project for about 12 years. So in these 12 years we have seen that it's very important, because we are protecting all the forests we have in Sani community, and we are protecting many things, many animals, and there's many species of plants, everything like that. Why we decided to not work with oil company is we have seen the bad experience in other communities, and we are so happy to continue with ecotourism project. Let me take this example as like Pompeii. And near Pompeii there is another community, it's called Limon Cocha. They started to work with oil company 15 years ago, and now I say in the beginning the oil company gave a lot of money to them, a lot of money, and they open a big road into the jungle in the middle of their community. They open some like 40 meter wide. 40 meter wide is a big, it's a big road, So all the animals is gone now. So what happened now? They are going to another community for fishing, for hunting, and they're having problems with another neighbor community. So, and it also affected to the farm, like bananas farm. It's not producing like before. Yucca is not producing like some years ago. So the land is totally contaminated. It's not working. So we have seen many things. The small rivers are with oils, small streams. It's nothing in there like fish. So I would never like to see my community like that. We feel so bad. Many people in Sani feel not good because first of all, I say we never came to Sani community to talk, with everyone. We never came. We never sent some letter, never. And now they say so. They are going to come into the Sani land. We have to be strong and put in front of them, but we are going to close the door in Sani community. But it's not easy, after our president signed in the contract. It's totally supporting to our community in education, in medication, and also for families, the parents go to work, and it's helpful for the food, And I think what the Sani Lodge project needs is help of all members, need help of everyone. Like as an owner, we need to work, we need to compromise, Okay. So Sani Isla community has one of the most beautiful place. So this is the lagoon. Chalhuacocha lagoon is, I think, I say the best in the Amazon. Has mix of forest, as a swamp, so terra firme, mammals, hundred species of plants, 100 species of butterflies, and many creatures, many things. I feel it's a paradise, natural paradise that all Father from the sky give us. So we are so lucky. And I think we need to understand about this place and to know affect to this place, how, taking care, recollecting garbage, not using a motor engine in this lagoon, many things like that, First of all, they need to visit Sani.
Yes.
So they need to decide to visit the Amazon of Ecuador. And when they visit in Sani, the money is not going only for one person. The money is going back. I told you some minutes ago in three especially points: education and medication, and also for support everyone there. And also they need to think that Sani is located in the middle of the Amazon, where we have plants, trees, many vegetation, and this vegetation is absorbing all the contamination. I think lucky. I think with the old company we completely decided. So in the last meeting we say, and many people were saying, this is the last time we are talking about the oil company. It's going to be the last time. The next meeting in February will be the last time to say no anymore to oil, no anymore to oil company in our community. Two years ago, we started with a women organization inside Sani Isla community. At this time, I was glad. All the time, with my group, I was talking about. So they were asking me many times, why the women don't work here? Why the women where they are living? So normally I responded, they have babies, they have to take care of them. So the idea was born from this question of the tourists, that's why they started to organize, and now this project is running up. It's working. But they're working, they are getting money. This money is helping from, to buy food, to support